Here are a few natural hair care tips that you should be doing every single week or night to maintain your natural hair so it can grow to its full potential and all the other good stuff. Number one, shampoo at least once or twice a month. If you're shampooing your hair every single night, I promise you, your scalp is drier than a desert. It's not going to grow. Your hair grows out of your scalp, not from the ends of your hair. Your ends of your hair is your length of your hair. That goes bring me into my second thing. Wear a do-rag or bonnet. If you are not wearing something to protect your hair at night, the ends of your hair will break off. And if the ends of your hair are breaking off, that means you're not experiencing any growth. Number three, deep condition your hair. Deep conditioning is basically just adding the extra layer of moisture. It's going to keep your hair protected and hydrated throughout each wash day. Number four, learn your hair